Hey everyone, did you know that you can make your neck longer and actually be half an inch higher in height if you do some neck exercises? We put so much pressure on our neck that it just becomes shorter because our muscles are so tight and so rigid, especially with all the gadgets, our phones, our computers. Our neck is becoming shorter, but this process we can easily reverse. So today I have a practice for you. It's specifically for our neck. You can do it a few times a week. You can do it every single day. It's also a great practice after exercising. I love skiing, and after skiing I realized that upper part of my body is also very rigid because I tend to kind of tense up in the cold and trying to keep my form. So after any kind of exercising, making sure our neck is relaxed and doing some exercises specifically focused on our neck is very important. So let's jump into it. We start in the seated position, sit on our heels, or you can be in the cross-legged position if it's comfortable. We'll start with bending our head to the right and to the left, slow and control. Our spine is perpendicular to the floor. The neck is basically, our head is going from, if you imagine a clock, from 3 to 9, from 9 to 3. And inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. You can close your eyes if it's easier for you. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed, your arms are relaxed. Just moving our head. Repeat this exercise for about 30 seconds to a minute. And the next one is circular motion with our head. You start on the right side, the same position, similar to where we were. Our ear is as close as possible to the right shoulder. And now start moving your chin, drawing circles on our chest. And we end on the other side with another ear close to the shoulder, from left to right, from right to left. It's almost like we want to rest our ear on the shoulder. Slow and control. Don't forget to breathe. You're still in the seated position, perpendicular to the floor. Shoulders are relaxed. Come back in neutral position and start moving, turning your head from right to left. We're trying to align our chin with our shoulder. Might not happen right away because our muscles are tight. Our SCM muscle is very tight. It's this one. But slowly, you will have a lot more range of motion, mobility of your neck. You will feel the certain areas where your neck is tight and tighter, and where you need to focus on. Right to left, nothing should be painful. Should feel good. The next exercise will be tucking our chin to the front and to the back. We're sliding it parallel to the floor. Turn sideways. If it feels a little weird, you might want to do it in front of the mirror, so you're not moving our chin down or up, just sliding it parallel. The spine stays in neutral position, shoulders relaxed. Try to do this exercise throughout the day a few times because we do look down on our phones and our gadgets so much that this is kind of an opposite to that neck shape, what you're creating. So it helps really good. Great, so the next exercise, we're going to include our shoulders. We start on the right side. You'll be bringing shoulder closer to the ear and then drop it. So you're not bringing the ear close to your shoulder, you're bringing your shoulder to your ear. Do 15 times on each side. Relax your arm. Your body is relaxed. All what's working is your shoulder. You bring it up, you fix it for just a moment and drop. Now let's do it on the other side. Make sure that your arm is relaxed. You're not bringing your arm because you're using your muscles. You're really just using your shoulder, and you're using your muscles but not your full arm. So focus on your shoulder and keep the neck where it is. Make sure your ear is not moving. Now we'll be jumping into shoulder rotation. Again, your arm is relaxed. You can bring it to the side of your body. Start on the right side. Let's do rotation to the back first, 10 times. Make sure that your arm is just following your shoulder. Again, try to focus on the relaxation of your arm. So kind of like a rope just hangs there. Trying to bring your shoulders close as possible to the ear. And opposite direction. You can hear that my arm just hangs and follows. I'm kind of dropping in my yoga mat. And let's go to another side. Doing so, making sure that you're really stretching and focusing on that shoulder rotator and not your arm muscles. It's a different kind of exercise for different group of muscles. And opposite direction. Left shoulder, front rotation. 10-15 times on each side. And now do the same thing, but with both shoulders at the same time. Up, back. Try to, if it's hard to understand, try to bring your arms up and do the same rotation with your arms. So you will see the difference when you're actually involving your arm muscles and when only shoulders are working. Make sure that your back is straight, your neck is straight. It is now leaning forward, leaning towards the back. And now opposite, rotation forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can shake it, shake your arms, give yourself a big hug, bring your elbows, forearms in front of you, hug yourself, grab with your hands your shoulder blades, tuck in your chin. Make sure that your arms are parallel to the floor. And make 3 inhalations and exhalations here. Close your eyes. With each exhalation, try to bring your arms a little bit higher up. At the same time, stretch your neck and try to bring your chin closer to your neck. Relax your forehead, your facial muscles. All right. Next exercise is frame. Bring your arms up. You can do this exercise standing or seated. Just make sure that you're relaxed and your spine is in the straight position. Arms up, hold opposite elbows. Tuck your chin in. Try to make sure that your chin is resting on your neck as close as possible. Close your eyes, relax your forehead, and start bringing your spine. Your elbows are trying to reach the ceiling, but not just your shoulders are lifting, your whole body. Your eyes are closed. Because if you keep your eyes open and try to look at the camera, you will be using your forehead muscles and it's hard to relax them. Keep tucking your chin, keep breathing with your nose. Your ribs are expanding. Focus your attention on your spine and imagine that each vertebra, one by one, is expanding and trying to reach the ceiling. Your fascias are stretching. It's a tissue that connects our muscles or ligaments. Keep breathing, keep stretching. And exhale. You can do this exercise once or twice. Shake your arms. Now, because we're bending our neck, let's put our left hand on our right collarbone and put a little bit of pressure and massage your neck along the right side, on the side, not in the middle. We have our thyroid here, so we just want to massage our muscles, our tissues, to increase the lymph flow, blood circulation, bring a little bit more heat to our neck, and do the same thing on the left side. Your right hand goes on the collarbone and then stretch your neck. You are putting some pressure on your neck, so you're not just slightly touching your skin. You're trying to dig in through all the tissues. And now just massage your neck along from starting with your trap and just going up along the vertebrae, along your spine, on the side. Just go up and down. See if there's more tension in certain areas, and maybe stay there for a little bit longer. Try to make sure when you're doing it, your hands, your fingers are relaxed. So you can feel what's going on and trying to feel not your skin, but just feel your muscles, your bones. Alrighty, and this last one is one of my favorite ones. You need to massage your scalp. Grab your hair and start pulling on your hair as close as possible to the roots. From 1 to 10 should be like 7. Should be not painful, but kinda. Close your eyes, relax, and just keep pulling. And once you feel the relief, just start pulling a little bit more. And move your hands to a different position on your scalp. Do the same thing. Keep your eyes closed, relaxed. And now just massage with strong fingers, massage your scalp. Make sure you massage everywhere behind our ears as well. And you would ask, why are we massaging scalp if we're working on our neck? Well, your tension in the neck creates a lot of tension in our scalp as well. Your neck tension here, the SCM muscle, which is connected to our skull, pulls all the muscles and creates rigidity. So it's all interconnected. By relaxing muscles on your head, but at the same time allow your neck muscles relax, and the other way around. So we're working kind of like a complex. We are not just doing neck exercise, because you absolutely have to do some neck exercise, some head exercises, some neck exercises that create kind of a complex approach to the problem. So this concludes our neck stretching routine. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like this, follow my channel. Type word energy in the comments. If you have any questions, if you want to share this video with your friends and family, do so. And let's see you again very soon. Thank you so much.